Hey guys, welcome back. If you're getting the path not found error 0x80070035 on Windows 11 Pro, don't worry, I'll walk you through the quick fixes, step by step. Step 1. Go to the search bar and type, Manage Advanced Sharing Settings, then click it. Expand Private Networks, All Networks, and Public Networks. Copy these settings. Turn on Network Discovery. Turn on File and Printer Sharing. For public networks, turn off Network Discovery. Turn off File and Printer Sharing. Turn off Public Folder Sharing. Under File Sharing Connections, select 128-bit Recommended. Turn off Password Protected Sharing. Step 2. Group Policy Settings. In the search bar, type Edit Group Policy and open it. Under Computer Configuration, expand Windows Settings. Next, expand Security Settings. Expand Local Policies. Click on Security Options. Scroll down until you find Microsoft Network Client, Digitally Signed Communications. Always, double-click it, set it to Disabled, and click OK. Step 3. Enable Insecure Guest Logons. In Computer Configuration, expand Administrative Templates, then expand Network. Click on LAN-MAN Workstation. On the right side, double-click Enable Insecure Guest Logons. Change the setting from Not Configured to Enabled. Click OK to save. Now close everything. If the error is still there, just restart your PC. After reboot, the problem should be fixed. And that's it. You just fixed the Path Not Found error on Windows 11 Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.